guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we are trying Astound Beauty Polygel Kit, and make sure you stick around to the end of this video for a giveaway announcement. So here are the two polygel kits we are going to be trying. The first one is in this pink sequence bag that switches to like the silver, and when you open this bag up, the first thing that you get is the instructions. And here are all the polygels you get. You get 10 different polygels, and the first two colors are mood changing or thermal changing polygels.
Oh my. But oh no. Oh no.
And the next three are glow in the dark glitter polygels. And then the rest of the colors are light changing polygels. And here are all the polygels you get. I think they are so cute and a really good variety. And here are what they look like after they have shifted into their other form. So the first two change into this grayish white color, and then the orange changes into that yellow. And then the light changing ones change to a darker color. And here are how the glow in the dark ones look. It's kind of hard to see, but at the end of the video, I do show you a better look at the glow in the dark.
The one in anything.
And in the gold sequence bag, we have the next polygels. So these bags only come with the polygels in them, but they do come with a lot of different polygels, which I really like. And here are how all the colors look, and this is what they look like after they have been cured. They look a little bit lighter, and these colors also glow in the dark, which I will show at the end of the video as well. So let's just get right into this nail set. Here are my natural nails. We're first going to start off by pushing back the cuticles. Then I'm going to trim off that excess dead skin with my cuticle scissors. And then I'm going to be removing the shine of the nails with my fine grit sanding band, and I am doing this with my non-dominant hand, so using the e-file is always a little bit trickier. And then I'm going to be applying my peel off base coat. This is just when I add a little bit of cuticle oil to the nails, and then I add top coat over that, and it makes the nails pop off really easily. So don't do this if you want your nails to last. Since I have to be changing my nail sets all the time, I do use this peel off base coat. It has really helped to take off my nails a lot quicker. So I'm going to be taking my nail tips and then sizing those out and then gluing them on with some KDS glue. And then I'm going to be trimming down these nails with my tip cutters. Next, I'm going to be reshaping them, and then I'm also going to be removing the shine. So here are how the nails are looking so far, and we're just going to add some base coat now. So once all the base coat is applied, we're going to get applying this polygel. I'm going to be using the black color that changes into that light gray. And then I'm also going to be using this orangey gold glitter that glows in the dark. And then I thought I was going to use this light glitter glow-in-the-dark polygel, but I just ended up not using that. And then I also needed to use some white polygel as well. So this is a marble nail set, and this design took me a couple of tries, like just something was just not looking right. So it did take me a few tries to get it right. So let's just skip to the successful attempt. So I'm adding on that black polygel, and then I also add in that gold polygel, and then I add in some white polygel, and those are the three colors that I used. Now I was out of frame for a lot of this video, so I'm sorry about that. Like, I didn't get much footage of doing the nails, to be honest. So after I have the polygel applied on the pointer finger, I'm going to be adding these gold star charms and moon charms, and I just thought those looked so cute, and I thought it added a nice touch to this design. So here's how the nail looks after I cured it, and I love it 10 times more this color. I just think it looks so like classy, so whimsical. I don't know how to describe it, but I love it in this light gray color. I just think it looks so good with that orangey gold and then the gold charms. I love it when it looks like that. So moving on to the next nails, I'm just basically repeating the same thing. I'm just adding random beads of polygel all over the nail, and then I'm going to be smoothing that out with my polygel brush. So this polygel is the mood changing polygel, so it changes from black to that light gray. As you can see on my pointer finger, it's already kind of changing back, and it looks like an ombre, which is so cute. It changes to the black color in the cold, and then when it's warm, it changes to that light color. This nail set surprisingly took me a very long time. Like, each nail took me a lot longer than usual, but I ended up really liking the nail set. Like, at first, I was kind of skeptical. I was like, do I even like this? But then after I cured it and I saw it in that light gray color, I knew that this nail set was good. So this is a bit random, but I wanted to give you guys a school update for any of those who care. I don't know if you've noticed, but I've been posting a lot of videos and being very consistent, and there is a reason for that. School has been very easy. So I don't know if any of you remember, but one of my last school semesters was really tough, and I feel like that really added to me taking that long break because it was just kicking my butt. Like, that semester was so challenging and I was really tired after that. This semester is just so peaceful. Like, let me just describe to you what my classes are like. All my assignments are due on Sunday, and I only have like one assignment due for each class. So that's 4 assignments because I only have 4 classes, and each of the assignments are so easy. It's like no unnecessary work. So I'm over here with just so much time on my hands, which is so good. So it feels like during the week I'm like recording videos and editing videos, and then on the weekend I'm like doing my schoolwork, and that is exactly how I want it. So yeah, this school semester has been going so good so far, and I've been able to be posting 2 videos a week, which is my goal. My goal is 2 videos a week or 8 videos a month. So that has been my goal, and I am very proud of myself that I'm actually like sticking to it and being consistent. So, you know, I'm just working on that pinky nail, just smoothing out that polygel, and then I place my brush down, you know, for a quick second. And do you see anything wrong right here?
Literal breaking point. Any tiny little thing, Shelly would yell at him.
Oh, get that on camera.
So yeah, I just spilled that whole container of glitter, which makes me so sad. I didn't even get to use it. And I just spilled it like that. So I tried to salvage as much as I could, but that was really sad. That was a really sad moment right there. Anyway, back to the nail set. Alright, so I'm just going to be encapsulating these nails with some top coat because I was getting really tired at this point. Like, I had been working on these nails for like 3 or 4 hours already, and I was getting pretty tired, so I was not about to encapsulate these nails with some clear polygel because that would have taken a lot longer. So I went with the top coat way. I just put like a bunch of top coat on the nail and I just kind of hover over the nail where I want it, and then I also flip my nail upside down to make sure that the top coat like kind of goes where I want it to be. So yeah, that's how I encapsulated these nails. You know, it's obviously a kind of a thin layer, so sometimes I did end up like filing down a little bit of the gold charms, but it was really nothing that bad. Alright, so once all the polygel is applied, we're just going to go ahead and reshape these nails, and I love that like ombre effect that these nails are giving off. I just think that is so cute and like easy ombre, like you didn't even have to make an ombre, it just ombre'd itself. So if you guys are interested in these Astound Beauty Polygel Kits, first of all, make sure you stick around to the end of the video for information on the giveaway that I'm doing for these 2 kits. But besides that, the information for this polygel kit will be in the description, the link for it, and you can use the code that's on the screen right now for 10% off your order. I just think these polygel kits are so cute. They have like nice fall colors as well as Halloween colors, so it's like perfect for this time. So if you are interested, make sure you go check out these kits, but you might want to wait until after the giveaway is over. Maybe just in case you know, win the giveaway, you know? Alright, and once the nails are shaped and filed, we are just going to finish off this set with some top coat. Just a very nice simple set, but also very classy. I love these nails. They remind me of, like, they literally remind me of black marble. Like, that's what I was going for, but they actually look like black marble with like a little bit of gold in there, which I absolutely love. So now we're going to be adding on the cuticle oil. And here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set in the comments. I love this set. I think it is so cute, just so cute. I love the colors. I love when it turns to that light gray, but I also like when it turns to that black color. It's just so cute, and I like how it's just an ombre by itself, like it does its own ombre. I just think that is so fun. So once again, if you guys are interested in this Astound Beauty Polygel Kit, the information for both the polygel kits will be in the description, as well as the 10% off code. And here are how the nails look like when they glow in the dark, because yes, I did use that glow in the dark glitter, and they are so cute when they glow in the dark. I actually forgot that the glitter polygel glue in the dark, so that was a really fun surprise. And also here are how the polygels look when they glow in the dark, like an actual nice view of how they look glowing in the dark. The whole gold kit glows in the dark, and then the 3 glitter polygels from the pink kit glow. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this nail set. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all next time. Bye!
Oh, did you think the video was over? Well, it's not. If you are interested in winning this giveaway, here are the instructions. First, you gotta follow me on Instagram, follow Astound Beauty on Instagram, and answer this question in the comments of this video. Which kit would you want to win and why? And make sure to leave your Instagram in the comments as well, that way I can contact you if you are a winner. The pink kit has the variety of the thermal changing ones, the glow in the dark ones, and the light changing ones. And the gold kit has all glow in the dark polygels. Now these only come with polygels. I'll be making sure to provide the other essentials like base coat and top coat, a polygel brush, a nail lamp. I will be adding that as well. And since Halloween is around the corner, my little sister Katsitas is going to be making a Halloween little character like on a keychain, so it'll look something like this, but obviously Halloween, and it'll be on a keychain. That's just going to be a little extra something that you can win. So there are only going to be 2 winners. This giveaway is going to be ending in 5 days, which includes the day you are seeing this video. It'll be ending on Sunday, September 26th. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, follow Astound Beauty on Instagram, and make sure you leave an answer to that question in the comments as well as your Instagram so that I can contact you.
Alright, so now the video is actually over. Make sure you guys go enter that giveaway if you are interested. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this vid. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!